What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the Essential phone, otherwise known as the Essential PH1. And basically what makes this phone special is that the company behind it was actually created by a creator of Android, Andy Rubin himself. And yeah, as you may be able to see from the box right here, you'll see after we get it out of the box more, this guy has a very nice, almost bezel-less body. It does have a chin going on down there. It's got a super small notch at the top for that front-facing camera. And yeah, guys, this phone launched about a year ago. I'm unboxing it now because then it was priced at about $700. Now you can get it for much cheaper. Actually, just recently, during Amazon Prime Day, you could pick up this bad boy for $250. I got this for a little under $350 on Amazon, obviously not on Amazon Prime Day, and that was before taxes. Then with taxes, it was about $370. And yeah, big discount versus when it first came out. So without further ado, let's get this guy out of the box. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here is the front of the box again. Now if we come over here to the back, I created a little tear in the shrink wrap so we can peel the nice little shrink wrap off of this box and actually get to opening the box. So here that goes. Bye-bye shrink wrap. Throw that over there. And yeah, if I believe correctly, I think you can just like slide this box open. Ooh, we actually have to come over here to the back and peel this guy right here, just like that. Bye-bye, little guy. And now back to the front. Let's slide. Oh yeah, there it is. Very easy, simple unboxing experience, just like the phone itself as marketed as. And one thing I will note about this unboxing is it's actually pretty cool how everything is laid out sort of on one level, and it makes the box bigger because like I'm used to unboxing iPhones because I've been an iPhone guy for a while. I'm still obviously going to keep my iPhone 10. I like that phone. But basically with iPhones, the way you unbox those bad boys is it's not like this where everything's laid out all like that. It's actually sort of stacked. So on the top there's a phone, and then under that is like the cables and power adapter and whatnot. So yeah, I find this unboxing style very interesting, and actually it sort of feels more premium because it's almost like you bought like a kit and everything's laid out all nicely in front of you. So yeah, I like it. Anyway, without further ado, here is the Essential phone. Wow, it's quite thin, quite light. Those are my first impressions of it. Now, let's peel that plastic off. Oh yeah. Now off the front, protecting that screen right there. And then there's a bit of something hanging off the phone right there. Don't know what that is. And yeah, nice and naked. Check it out, folks. Beautiful. And one thing you will notice about the Essential phone while I've got it on my hand, there are no logos, no writing anywhere on this phone. See, you don't see an Essential logo anywhere. Obviously, it's once again trying to get this simple, minimalistic, very just what you need look going on. That is why they call it Essential. And yeah, now back to the box. Let's check it out. Here is a little AC adapter for plugging this bad boy into the wall for charging it. Sadly though, while I'm opening this up, I gotta say something sad about the phone. It does not support wireless charging. I'm a big fan of wireless charging, so yeah, I'm pretty sad about that. But it does charge with a wire with right here you'll see USB-C. And yeah, ooh, let's take this off. It's got a nice little integrated thing for keeping the cable all tied together. And this is, wow, a pretty nice cable. Look, it's braided too. A braided cable in the box, pretty cool. Put that back over here, and then right here you've got this little bad boy right here, a dongle, because, well, first this is a USB-C to headphone jack dongle. Guess why, guys? Because this bad boy does not have a headphone jack. I personally don't mind. I'm a little weird. I'd prefer if a phone doesn't have a headphone jack if I'm the one picking, because I do use wireless headphones, the Bose QC35 2s. So in my opinion, like, I'd just rather not have it there because I'm not going to use the headphone jack. And to everyone who complains about the headphone jack, I just say, you know, just buy a pair of wireless headphones. You can even get like inexpensive ones, and if it really bothers you, that's why there's a dongle here if you want to use your old wired headphones. But yeah, I personally don't really care. At least there's a dongle in the box for people who do care. Flippity flap, flippity flap. Dongles are very interesting to play with. Oh wow, look at that guy go. And yeah, now we've got these bad boys out of the box. And let's see, if we pull right here, ooh, what is this? Look at that Essential logo going on right there. It's like a separate piece of some sort of silver. Ooh, let's open this bad boy up. What's in here? Are these like paperwork? Yep. Legal and warranty. That's some paperwork. I'm sure you guys aren't interested in this right now, so let's put that away, stick it back in the box. And now, folks, let's get all this box stuff out of the way and focus on the star of this show, the Essential phone. And here it is booting up. There's the Essential logo, powered by Android. Another interesting thing about this phone is it's supposed to be very, very close to the stock Android that you might get on something like a Google Pixel. Because, guys, as you know, with the name like Essential, as that name implies, it doesn't want to have bloatware on here, all that weird stuff you might get on a typical Android phone other than a Pixel. And another good thing about that, actually, is that this bad boy, you can already get Android 9 Pie on it, the latest version of Android at the time of the making of this video. So I'm definitely going to be updating it to that after this video, and then maybe we can talk about that some more, like in my full review. There will be a full review of this. And the fact that Essential advertises that you're supposed to always be getting quick updates to the latest version of Android on this guy is definitely a good thing, because unlike on Apple devices, on Android devices, it isn't always the easiest thing to get the latest software. So, folks, I am definitely happy about that. Anyway, let's go. Okay, I'm going to skip inserting my SIM card for now. I'm going to set it up as new. Okay, just entered my Wi-Fi information. Now it's checking for updates. Okay, so now I just signed into my Google account, and I'm waiting for that to load. It says just a sec. Unlock with Fingerprint, cool. If you guys didn't know, there is a fingerprint reader on the back of this bad boy, that little circle right there. So yeah, let's add a fingerprint. How about we do this finger right here? Let's do that. So, fingerprint plus pin. Okay, I just entered a pin. Next. No, okay. Boop, 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 boop. Just tap in on the back of the phone. Boop, boop. Move your finger slightly to add all the different parts of your fingerprint. Okay, trying to do that. Hey, fingerprint added. Just touch the fingerprint sensor to wake and unlock your device. Cool, cool, cool. Done. Google Assistant, I know all about that. Continue. All set. Adding finishing touches, and there it is, the Essential phone, all set up and ready to go. Look at this guy. Before we try anything else out, let's talk about the hardware. So as you'll see, now you can see with the screen on much better. Right here is that top notch that I was talking about earlier that has the front-facing camera on it. Down here, there is that chin. It's sad that Essential couldn't have made this phone without that chin and just made it totally bezel-less, besides that notch, of course. But even with it, it still is pretty cool how, like, there's barely any bezels going on. It's very nice. So now let's go to the sides. Actually, before we go to the sides, let's talk about the screen some more. The screen is Gorilla Glass 5. That's the material. Then on the sides of the phone, the sides are made of titanium. That's pretty cool. As you can see right here, we've got the volume up button, volume down button right here. Let's see, this is the go to sleep and not sleep button. And then, yeah, on this side of the phone, what do we got? Nothing there. Down here, we've got the little SIM card tray right here. We've got the USB-C connector, and we've got a speaker. And then, yeah, up here on this side, we've got nothing. So then right here on the back is ceramic. That's pretty cool. As you can see, it's nice and shiny and reflective. It reminds me of the back of the iPhone X, except the back of the iPhone X, of course, is glass, not ceramic. And yeah, right here, we've got a little flash. We've got the dual camera lenses. Actually, one of the camera lenses on this is standard, color camera. The other is a monochrome, meaning black and white. And then we've got these two little connectors right here. And yeah, what these two guys let you do is connect Essential's 360-degree camera to this phone magnetically. You just plop it on. And yeah, that'll definitely be something interesting. I want to unbox that too. So look forward to that video, guys. And yeah, let's see how fast that fingerprint sensor can go. So I'm just going to tap it with my finger, and let's see. Boop, boop, boop. And just like that, it's unlocked. I felt a little vibration before it unlocked. Let's try that again. Hey, you see how fast that was? One more time. Hey, so I felt that vibration, and it just skips the lock screen and goes straight to the home screen, just to what you care about. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Look at all these different apps on here, and as you can see, no bloatware going on. This is supposed to be, like I said earlier, very, very close to stock Android. And yeah, let's test out the cameras on this bad boy. So to do that, we'll come over here to the apps, then we'll tap camera, of course, allow camera to, yep, okay, and here we are. So right now, here we are on the selfie camera. This bad boy is an 8-megapixel camera. And yeah, let's take a selfie. Check out that bad boy right there. Here you see it on the screen. And yeah, that looks actually pretty good. So now let's try out those rear cameras. So let's start with a picture of the Warenotice logo right here. Boop. And there that is. That also looks pretty good. Now let's try that with the Monochrome Lens. Once again, that means black and white. That's just a fancy way to say it. So here we go. Boop. And there is that Warenotice logo, not with Warenotice red. Once again, looks just fine to me. And now that we've got that done, folks, let's play with the screen on this bad boy a little bit more. Let's watch one of my awesome YouTube videos. So now here we are in YouTube. Let's watch my Echo Dot unboxing video. As you can see, what the Essential phone does is it creates sort of like a false digital bezel over here on this side of the phone, sort of to hide that notch going on right there, as you can see, and it sort of makes it look like it has bezels on both sides, not just a chin bezel. And then I also noticed there's a little bit of digital bezel going on this side as well. So yeah, and when I look at this actually looks, just based on my first impressions, pretty nice, this screen. I mean, does that not look good to you guys? And the actual resolution of this screen, that is 2560 by 1312 pixels. That is quad HD, and for those of you guys who like mathematics, that is an aspect ratio of 19:10. And yeah, the standard aspect ratio of videos, this video right here that you're watching on the Essential phone, that is a 16:9 aspect ratio video. And yeah, let's check out the audio quality on this bad boy. Let's turn up the volume. So yep, I just connected to its Wi-Fi network in the settings app. So yep, it says connected. It said I'm connected, now continue. And yeah, I mean, that sounds fine to me. And I mean, yeah, anyway, folks, seems like that'll be all for this Warenotice video. Just a quick, nice, easy unboxing of the Essential phone, otherwise known as the Essential PH1. So, yeah, definitely stay tuned for my full review of this bad boy right here. And also my unboxing of Essential's 360-degree camera for this bad boy. I definitely want to buy that too and check that out. So I mean, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, including those guys, because yeah, after all, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and I'll love you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Essential phone, baby.